The landscape of AI work is changing fast, and while I recently highlighted 8 great companies for rater work, many of you asked for even more options. So I went back and personally tested some other platforms to find 5 additional companies where you can actually submit an application right now. And if I couldn't submit an application, it didn't make the list. That brings our running list of verified opportunities to 13. And if you haven't seen that video on 8 companies yet, I'll put a link in the description and in the pinned comment so you can check it out right after this video. Think of these 5 companies as a way to diversify your portfolio, whether you're already applying to the first 8 or just starting out. I'll put links for all 5 in the description. Now, some of these are traditional AI rater roles, while others are microtask sites where pay can vary based on your speed. And let's jump into company 1. Company number 1, Mindrift and also Toloka. Mindrift is the biggest development on this list. Toloka is transitioning into Mindrift, with the companies indicating the integration will occur during July of 2026 per the company's website. So let's look at these two as a kind of 2-for-1 deal. As of the recording of this video in early summer of 2026, this is what I found. And by the time you're watching this, the transition may have already been completed. So always check the company's website for the most current information. For Mindrift at this time, they are accepting applications, but only for specific skill sets and work experience, such as claims adjuster, banking, finance. You can review the specific openings on their website. Even if you do not match these skills and experience, you can still register your email with Mindrift on their website, and they will email you updates on any new opportunities. And if you don't see your specific field listed, don't worry. Registering your email is the best way to be first in line when they expand. Now at this time, you can still apply to Toloka for microtask type work. I was able to submit my information to them as well. At the time of the recording, I have not yet completed any microtasks through the platform, but per the website, as you can see on the screen, the process seems fairly simple. One quick note. At the time I reviewed the site, Payoneer was listed as one of the payment methods for contributors, so you may need a Payoneer account depending on your location and payment options available. If you have watched my video, New to Data Annotation, setting up a Payoneer account is one of the 5 steps I recommend you do before you apply. I highly recommend watching that video before you apply to any of these companies. I'll put a link in the description. Based on the announced integration, it would not surprise me if the combined platform eventually includes a mix of AI training task, writing and reasoning task, and microtasks. But until the transition is complete, we won't know exactly what opportunities will be available. So bottom line, at this time, both companies are accepting applications. But remember, accepting applications for any company does not directly equate to actively hiring or assigning work. Number 2, RWS. Still has an open application portal. However, this is not the RWS many people remember from 2019. RWS appears to be offering fewer of the traditional large-scale search rater opportunities than many people remember from years ago. What they do still offer are linguistic tasks, which is basically checking if a translation sounds natural, localization, and occasional annotation projects. I was able to apply, so they make the list. But don't expect steady rater work here. Also, some current projects may reference a specific state, such as Texas. But when you begin the application process, you will find a broader list of eligible states. While RWS is for more traditional projects, sometimes you just need something you can start today. That's where microtask sites like company number 3 come in. And stick around because company number 5 surprised me. I wasn't expecting MTurk to still be accepting applications. Number 3, Clickworker. Clickworker is always open, and yes, I was able to apply. This is mostly a microtask platform, not a true AI rater job. Think of UHRS tasks, categorization, surveys, small labeling jobs. Pay is low, but it's legitimate and beginner friendly. If someone wants to dip their toes into online work, this is the safest place to start. Number 4, Prolific. Prolific is one of the most trusted platforms out there. I applied with no issues. After the application process, I was advised that I was on a waiting list. Whether you're immediately accepted can depend on participant demand and demographics. But again, this is not AI radar work. It's academic studies, surveys, behavioral research. The pay per hour is actually decent, but the work is sporadic. Still, it's a great supplemental platform. Number 5, Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk. At the time I recorded this video, I was able to submit an application to MTurk. But let's be real, MTurk is microtask work, and the pay is usually very low. It's not an AI radar job. It's not stable income, but it is a legitimate platform that allows you to submit an application immediately. After I applied, I was advised that I would be notified in 3 days of the next step in the process. So these 5 companies are accepting applications, but that's it. That doesn't mean that they're actively hiring, that they have open projects, that they'll onboard you quickly, that they have consistent work. I want to be a realistic voice in this space, and I will never tell you a company's hiring unless I can personally verify it. And right now, these 5 companies are where I could submit an application. This list is perfect for people over 50 trying to break into online work, beginners who want legitimate platforms, anyone tired of chasing dead links or outdated advice, and people who want to build experience while waiting for bigger opportunities like Outlier, Data Annotation, or Tullis. My goal is simple: separate real opportunities from outdated information. I won't tell you a company is actively hiring based solely on old information or internet rumors. So if this helped, please hit the like button. And if you want more verified lists like this, let me know in the comments. And if you recently applied to any of these companies, please let us know so everyone can benefit from current information.